Learn how to make this actual to goal chart in about 3 minutes. First, you want to make sure you have your actual and your goal metrics. Then let's select the month, the actual column, and goal, and hold control while you do it and go up to insert chart. You can pick any chart, and then let's go up to change chart type. We need to make this a combo. So we want to make sure cluster, column, and then line are where they should be. Looked good. Our line is going to be our target or our goal, and the columns are our actual. So let's do some formatting here to do no fill and no outline, and then let's move it in place. Now, if you see here, you can click the title and legend and delete. There is no outline around this chart. So you could insert a shape that you want as a background. So let's insert the rounded edge rectangle. And I'm going to do no outline here. Actually, yeah, let's try no outline. And we want to do no fill. We want to be able to see through the chart. And then you can also give it a 3D bevel type effect. And actually, we put the outline back in because in order to see the bevel, you do need to have an outline. And then let's do a shadow. We want it to look just like the other ones. Shadow with the outer, that's looking pretty good. Okay, let's move that in place, and then let's double click on the chart. We want these bars to be wider, so we're going to change the gap width down. And if you went all the way down, the bars completely touch. So let's go with something like that, and then let's click on no line here, and we're going to change this to a marker. So when I go to marker, I can select these different options. Let's go with the long dash. Let's make this wider by clicking on the up arrow, and then let's change the width of the line thickness to be a little bit bigger. Now we can change the fill color here to black or whatever makes sense. And then let's click on the other chart to see what we did. So our gap width was actually 40%. So let's go back to this other chart and we'll double click and let's make that 40 so that it's the same. Now next, I'm going to go up to insert and let's insert where our little title box is going to go. So we can do, I did a rectangle, but actually it looks like it's more like a rounded rectangle. Yep, that is it. So you could also copy and paste if you already have these done, but I'm trying to show you how to do it from the start. So if you click in here, you can type in a title and you can go up to alignment, you can center it vertically, horizontally, you can change the font. You just want to make sure that you've selected it, selected the text, and then you can increase it to make it look like a nice title. And then if we go up to the top again, under shape format, you can do the similar type things where you can change the color, you could add the 3D effect. Now let's click on the chart again and go to the shape shadow. You can actually turn these bars into more of a 3D effect.